Hello friends, welcome to Best English Classes. This is Dr. Prateek and in this video we are going to have an interview of Bhavya, who is an IELTS aspirant. Let's ask her a question and see how she responds. So your question is, describe a time when you organized a happy event successfully. What the event was, how you prepared for it, who helped you to organize it, and explain why you think it was a successful event.
Okay, so I have organized many events in my life and most of them were successful. But the particular event I want to talk about is my grandparents' anniversary. It was their 50th anniversary, and we celebrated with such a great enthusiasm as I wanted to do something special for their 50th anniversary, as it is also known as Golden Jubilee in India. So we did lots of things to make them happy, and one of them was we invited a lot of their friends, like their neighbors or their childhood friends. We managed to get their contacts from Facebook or any from their neighbors. So yes, it was a very happy event. We told our grandparents and parents that okay, we are just going to have some dinner in the restaurant, but we had planned a lot. We decorated the whole with the flowers and balloons. We invited the guests, and we also bought garlands for them so that they can do a little marriage on that. So okay, so we just invited them, and the event was successful because of their happiness. They have had the smiling face they had on their face. So I think the event was pretty successful.
Okay, you spoke very well. There was some itsy